How to create a Epic Games account? Open up browser, go to the official Epic Games account page, click sign in option in the right top corner, click it. Once you clicking after, the sign in page will appear. In this you need to click create an account, click it. Enter your email address. Depends on you, go with other sign in option also. Once entering after, you need to click continue, add your details. Once complete after, click continue, and a 6-digit security code will come to your concern email. Enter it. After entering, sign in the Epic Games. Enter your email address, enter your password, click sign in. Epic Game account is successfully created and sign in. So this is how to create it.